Sitting in my for our 2012 Toyota Sienna. We got a little bit of a noise issue going on. Whoa, our blower motor, I think, has seen better days. So today, we're going to replace it. Alright, 2012 Toyota Sienna, like I said, we're going to replace the blower motor. Good old Amazon A Premium. It's had a lot of good reviews. It's like 94 bucks with a coupon. Sure, like many other people, we try and save as much as possible. It's located behind the glove box. This is a little kind of push pin deal. Squeeze these two things together. Pop that off, but it's really hard to do one-handed. Then there's tabs in there you gotta squeeze in and get by this plastic piece. And then there's two screws we're gonna have to take out, one there, one there. And then the blower motor is behind the glove box. Be right back. Got the glove box out. These 1, 2, 3 screws, 8mm or a Phillips. And then it just simply pops out. Just be careful you don't break your tabs. Be somewhat gentle. I was mistaken. This piece of trim does need to come off. It just pops out. You just grab it and pull up. I already undid it a little bit because there's a 10mm screw hiding there, or bolt, to get this panel out of the way so you can get to the blower motor. Now that all that is out of the way, we are here at the blower motor. Right there is your cabin air filter, which I changed not too long ago when we were having issues with this fan. I disassembled it and lubed some things up to limp it along for a little bit, but now it's time to replace it. Hopefully you can see, but there's 1, 2, and 3 in the back there. 8mm bolts, and the blower motor will drop out of there. 3 8mm bolts, and it's out. Got 1 electrical plug to unplug, and it's free and clear. As you can see, this thing is all wobbly. It's got tight spots in it. Like I said, I had it disassembled and tried to lube it up the best I could to limp it along. But it's time for a new one. Here we have our nice new one. Like I said, A Premium brand from Amazon. Had a bunch of really good reviews, so I figured we'd give it a shot. 100 bucks. God knows what the dealer would charge you. So I try and do everything that I possibly can myself. When reinstalling, you have to make sure that this black piece here fits up in. Let's see, to that right there. And that's what orientates your fan in the correct position. One last step and the installation of the blower motor is complete. We got to plug this in. I'm an advocate of putting dielectric grease on all my electrical connections. I did it not too long ago when I tried to limp the fan along, so there's already grease on there. So we're going to plug it in. Time for the moment of truth. Get some power and turn it on. Wow, what a difference. That is on high. Nice and quiet. The only noise is the air moving. When I let you listen to it before, it was on low. That's on low. Can't even hear it running. No, just reverse the order of taking things apart and you're all done. Got the back piece of the glove box back in. Trim piece reinstalled. Just snaps back into place. Putting your glove box back in. Make sure there's tabs. Engage those tabs. And there it is, reinstalled. So I hope this helped you, whether it's for your Toyota Sienna or the confidence to take on another job yourself. Honestly, with this blower motor in this vehicle, 2 tools is really all you need. Phillips screwdriver, 10mm ratchet, 10mm socket with a ratchet. Honestly, you could take that bolt out with a wrench too. It probably would be easier with an 8mm socket, 10mm socket ratchet. And that would be it. About a half hour of your time. God knows, like I said before, what the dealer would charge you to do that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you. See you on the next one.